I am Prashant Desai from Eco Car Care. This firm was formed in 2019 in the month of Jan. Uh, Basic idea to do this car detailing was to get into car detailing business is to give one of the best services whatever we can do in Eco Car Care. Basically, our activity at Eco Car Care is roughly detailing the car. Detailing in a sense where when the car comes in, we totally wash the car. Then, when it comes on to a main area wherein we do a deep cleaning. Now, deep cleaning is mostly done by steam cleaning, our APCs, and rest of the chemicals which are available at that particular point of time. Uh, Another part of detailing is polishing, and we polish the car. The process of polishing is basically compounding, a polish, and then finally waxing the car. These are all activities in terms of detailing the car. Extra activities or other core activities which we provide here is doing ceramic coating. Ceramic coating again is a coating where the hardness of the clear coat increases and it is swirl and scratch resistant. Uh, Basically, it adds as a protection to bird dropping and UV rays, UV sunlight rays, and oxidation. So these are the main characteristics of ceramic, when which helps the car to be maintained in a right manner. Another activity which we carry here is PPF. Is This is a paint protection film, and this also is entire protection to your car, which again there are two qualities into it. One is TPH and one is TPU. Uh, TPU is basically swirl resist. It is swirl resistant and scratch proof. Uh, so these are the activities which are covered in car detailing business in Eco Car Care. Uh, I again have another part wherein it's called as a body shop, and there we carry out denting and painting activities of the car. Whenever the car comes in, is there are slight scratches or dents on the car. That's the activity wherein we color and get the car into a good condition. We have an annual packages also wherein there are two kinds of wash. One is a normal wash and one is a premium wash, which we give on every 15 days basis. So roughly around 24 washes in a year and one detailing package. One a detailing package wherein we do the deep interior cleaning and polishing of the car. So this is covered under annual package. Plus, before the rains, we do glass coating on the car and we do headlight polishing as well.